boyfriend refused when I offered S3X.
Damn!
Dear Pastor, I am 20 and so is my boyfriend. I love him very much. He is my third boyfriend. My first boyfriend is now living in America. His parents were living there while he was living in Jamaica with his grandmother, but they filed for him and he left. I loved him so much that I cried when he was leaving. He promised me that he would come back to Jamaica when he is able and marry me, but after a while, I did not hear from him regularly. Finally, he told me the truth. He had got involved with another girl, so I told him that I wished him well. Soon after, I did a very bad thing. I had sex with his best friend. He was always telling me that he loved me, but I should not tell my boyfriend about it. We went out one day and it happened. I felt like I had let down myself.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
The guy was so rough. I told him that I would never give him another chance in my life. So the relationship did not go further. I am now in college just like my present boyfriend. He comes from a very decent family. When he wanted us to go out, although I made my own decisions, he came to our house and told my parents where he was taking me. He told them that they should not be worried, he would bring me back early. He came to the house driving his father's car. My neighbors looked out because this was the first time they were seeing a man coming to the house in such a lovely vehicle. I felt very proud.
Oh my God! Wow!
When I came out of my house and walked to the car, he opened the door for me and closed it when I was in. He took me to Port Royal for fish and took me home by 10 p.m. I have not met his parents in person, but I have spoken to his mother on the phone and she says he is always talking about me and he loves me. His father is a hardworking man. His mother is a teacher. I believe that this guy is too good for me.
What do you mean by that?
I hesitate to tell you this, but I must. After we went out on 3 dates and he did not make a move, I asked him if he did not want to have S3X with me because I was in the mood.
Congratulations, you played yourself. Again!
He told me he did not want us to have S3X in his father's car and he did not have enough money to go to a hotel, so I should wait.
You're like man. You use the head of the post office, you're like Mel.
I felt embarrassed after he answered me.
Emotional, damn it!
Sometimes we study together, but I find it hard to concentrate on my schoolwork. So I asked him questions on the phone. As I am writing this letter, I feel wet. Do you think that I am bad? CP.
Dear CP, let me answer your last question first. I do not think that you are bad, but I must urge you to try to control yourself. It is natural for a woman to have sexual urges, but she has to learn to keep her body under control. I am not here to preach to you, but one writer in the Bible says that he learned to keep his body under subjection. Everybody has to learn that one cannot just yield to his fleshly desires. These desires will come upon a woman or man. Some older Jamaicans may put it this way, they say that nature calls. A young man or woman needs to understand that if they yield to nature as they put it, they may end up with unplanned children and they will carry the responsibility for those children for many years. Concerning your first boyfriend who went abroad and got involved with another woman, I am sure that you have learned to get over him. You made a mistake when you had intercourse with his best friend. I hope that your present boyfriend and you will continue to have a good relationship. Don't throw yourself at him and cause him to believe that you are cheap. Give the relationship time to develop. You can never tell, both of you may eventually get married. Pastor.
Well guys, that was Pastor's take on the situation. As for me, I am glad when a girl is very interested in the guy she is with and is not afraid to ask him if he wants her, or like this young lady did, she offers herself. However, from the lens of the good book, she is out of control like a flood in the valley trying to find its way out. Also, what she did by giving up the coochie to her first lover's best friend will definitely hurt her chance of that boyfriend ever taking her seriously ever again, if there was any chance after he left Jamaica. Despite all of this young lady really does seem to have a good boyfriend, and although guys like him tend to be cheated on and him refusing her offer almost guarantees that he will get bun and cheese all year round, but this can be prevented if the writer learns to curb her sexual appetite, or else she will wet up everywhere she goes and that won't be good for her health. Anyway guys, please subscribe to the channel for more Reddit stories, cheating stories and relationship stories like this one. Like the video and let us know in the comment section below if the boyfriend was in the wrong for refusing the writer's offer for S3X, or was she the one at fault for letting her coochie cause her problem? Share your thoughts with us. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Love.